How to see open snaps again on Snapchat. So as you see right here, this person has sent me a snap and I've already opened it. And there's actually a time limit for that. You can head over and click on these three dots. Make sure to actually save this snap. You can screenshot it to wherever you want. However, if you close this one and you click on this again, you can hold it to replay it. So hold it and then click on the staff to view and you should be able to see it here again. However, this actually varies per person if they actually allow this one right here. So for example, let's try to this person and they send you this one. So if you close it and you open it in here again, you can see snaps from them and you can double play it if you want to see it again as well from here. So as you can see, you can hold your play or save. So that's how you see open snaps again on Snapchat. Hope you help.